Hello guys, welcome back again. So in today's tutorial, I would like to show to you how to make your own logo have this glowing animation on it. So the way to create it, it's so simple. Let's just use this VN video editor, and then go to your VN, open it like that, and then hit this blue plus button to create a new project, and then go to this new project and export your logo onto it. So for example, I already prepared a logo for you guys, and the logo was, let me find it first. The logo was this logo of BMW car, and then just add it onto your page. And now the next thing that you need to do is you need to click this aspect ratio from the screen, click it and change it onto 60 divided by 9 like this. And the next thing that you need to do is decrease the size from your logo and make sure you are able to see it on the screen, kind of like this. And now the next step that you need to do is go to the main clip, and then swipe left your main toolbar or the toolbar until you found this BG, and then click it and change the background color onto white color, kind of like this. And when you're done, just hit the check button, and now go to this button on the overlaid clip, click it and add a white background onto the page like this. And now swipe left the toolbar, go click fill to make the overlaid clip have a similar size with the main clip. Now the next step, swipe left the toolbar until you found this mask button, and then click it, and now use this mirror mask. Now decrease the thickness from the mask, kinda like this, and increase the feather of it, kinda like this. And I would like to decrease it a little bit more. Okay, now the next step that you need to do is go to your toolbar again, and then hit this blending and use this color dodge blending, and then hit the check button when you're done. Now to add a motion onto it, we need to add a keyframe onto these masking tools. So just positioning the masking tools all the way up like this, and make sure that it's hiding from the logo, and then add a keyframe onto the first duration and add a second keyframe onto the next duration where do you want to put a motion onto it. So I would like to put the keyframe onto there and move the mask from this side all the way to this side, kind of like that. And now when you're done, the final result of it will be look like this. And if the motion is too fast and you cannot recognize it, you can just move the second mask, this one, you can delete it and put another mask, a new mask onto the exact duration, I think in this side, and then just move your mask all the way to this side. And now this is the final result of it. As you can see, now you have this glowing logo animation only using VN video editor. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe.